How to turn off family friendly on Brawl Stars. Now, as of 2025, and if you already updated your Brawl Stars application to the latest version, then if you go to this three lines right here and going directly to settings, the family friendly mode is actually removed. So if you have updated it, it will actually be removed here on your settings. Now for you to be able to still have access in it, we'll have to go to our help and support tab. To do so, just click or tap on the three lines again and then go to the settings. And from here, you'll just have to tap on help and support. You will now then be redirected to the Brawl Stars support. What you want to do in here is just go directly to the bubble message or the message icon right here, which is going to be highlighted as blue. So tap on that and then go directly to leave a message. Now in here, all you just have to do is to coordinate with the automated support or maybe to a live customer support agent. Just have to let them know that you'd like to turn off your family-friendly mode because you already updated your Brawl Stars application to the latest version. And that's it. That's how you turn off family-friendly on Brawl Stars.